Every time you mindlessly scroll, your brain learns one dangerous lesson: that real life is too boring. And once that happens, your goals start feeling impossible. Think about who you were a few years ago. You had big plans. You were going to get in shape, learn new skills, start something meaningful, become someone you're proud of. But now, you open your phone for 5 minutes, and somehow, an hour disappears. You save motivational videos, but never change. You consume productivity advice, but stay in the same place. And the worst part isn't wasting time. It's that quiet feeling at night, when you're lying in bed and realize another day is gone. You were busy all day, yet somehow, you did nothing that brought you closer to the person you want to become. And deep down, it scares you, because you know you're capable of more. You just can't seem to become that person. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't have a discipline problem. You have a stimulation problem. Your brain has become addicted to constant novelty. Every swipe gives you something new. A joke, a story, a surprise, a hit of dopamine. Then you sit down to study, read, work out, or build your dream. And your brain says, "This is too slow. Give me something more exciting." That's why you quit. Not because you're lazy, because your brain has been trained to reject anything that doesn't provide instant rewards. So here's how you fix it. First, don't touch your phone for the first hour after waking up. Protect your brain before the world hijacks it. Second, allow yourself to be bored again. Eat without watching something. Walk without headphones. Sit with your thoughts. Because boredom isn't empty. Boredom is where focus comes back. And third, spend just 20 minutes every day doing one hard thing without distractions. Read. Exercise. Work on your goal. 20 minutes of deep focus every day is enough to start rewiring your brain. Little by little, your attention comes back. Your discipline comes back. And eventually, your confidence comes back. The life you want isn't impossible. The person you want to become isn't gone. They're buried under thousands of meaningless swipes. Every time you put your phone down and choose something difficult instead, you're digging that person back out. And one day you'll look back and realize the thing standing between you and your dream life wasn't a lack of potential. It was a screen you couldn't stop scrolling.